In this video, I'll show you how to get shaders for Roblox in just a few minutes. First, open Roblox and go to the game where you want to use shaders. For this example, I'll be using Murder Mystery 2. Once you're on the game page, don't click play just yet. Move your cursor over the play button. Then right-click the play button and select Inspect. This will open your browser's developer tools. At the top of the developer tools window, click the Network tab. Then refresh the page. Wait a few seconds for everything to load. Now locate the game entry inside the Network tab. Right-click it. Then select Copy. And finally click Copy All as PowerShell. Now you'll need the Shader Tool website. You'll find the link in the description below. Once the website opens, look for the shader input box. Click inside the input box. Then paste the information you copied from Roblox. After that, click the Start button. Wait a few moments for the process to finish. If this tutorial helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.